what this is. Oh. Epoxy. My cans are $2. And I only have 29 left. We have 29 left. Can you put a heart, my love? Put a heart. Risma. Thank you, Risma. I see you now. I'm sorry. It went super quick. Okay. 29 left. We have 6 pints for 3. And I have 6 pencils. I swear this paste is so perfect. I don't think I want to get rid of it ever. I wish you guys were here to smell it. You know what? I thought I was gonna, and we added all the cans. I still have $2 cans. We have 29 cans. Other than that, we added everything. I'm gonna leave it in here. It's gonna stay in the tote. I'm gonna put the lid on the tote and I'm gonna leave it here. I have 29 cans left. Where's Foca? Is she not in here? For the love of Foca? I have not seen her. Where is she? We have 29 cans left. Are you going to save? No, we're leaving it in here. She was in earlier. Oh, she's probably busy then. $29 cans are left. Stop spamming. Any liquid or anything left? I sent for 3. You sent for 3 cans? Thank you. Thank you, my love. Yeah, I have 6 pencils left. 4 lemon penalens for 3 each. And that's it. Less oil is sold out. So for liquid, I only have 6 bottles of pencils, which are 10 each. And 4 penalens for 3 each. And I have 29 cans. I think someone said for 3 cans. Brandy, you're gonna have to fix it again, my love. I think they sent for 3 cans. I'm gonna check right now, but. And then the vet gave her fluids, a little bit of medication, and she's been feeling better. Glad she's okay. I am so happy she's okay, girl. I was crying on my way to the vet. I'm like, no, like my cat, bro, my cat. Plus, to be honest, I didn't even know cats could get like the flu. Like, I didn't even know that was a thing for cats. But apparently it is. Apparently, everyone on TikTok knew about what happened to Sky, so I was getting a lot of DMs. I was going to say that I had no. There you go, respiratory. Okay, let's squeeze. Right there. I think we have 24 cans. I need to go count. I buy from C Love ASMR, and sometimes I do my own. Sometimes I make my own and I buy from C Love. Okay, that's all the cans. Comet is 2. Thank you, Jamie, for sending. And then thank you for the 3 cans, my love. Okay. You missed when I get ready to post. I thought you were in here. I thought you were silent watching the whole time. Where did you go? 7 bags of Roma left. But this looks amazing. Oh, girl, it smells so delicious. Yeah, and I also have Ariel. I have Ariel powder, a big bag for 16, and I have